Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 camera blinking issue. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 they are facing an issue of camera blinking, that their camera blinking is too much and they don't know how to fix this issue. So guys, if you are one of them and looking for a fix, so you are in a right video. In this video I will tell you how to fix iPhone 15 camera blinking issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. So guys, our step number 1 is to restart your iPhone 15. Simply restarting your iPhone 15 can often fix temporary glitches which is causing your camera to blink. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to open the software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. So guys, if updating doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is simply close the camera app and then reopen it. Close the camera app and reopen it again. You have to simply open the camera app on your iPhone 15 and then close it and try reopening it again. If this still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for third-party apps. If you have recently installed any third-party camera app, they might be causing conflict. Try installing them and see if the issue persists or not. If it still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for physical damage. Examine the camera lens for any dirt, smudges or scratches. Clean the lens with a soft lint-free cloth. If there is physical damage, you may need to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. If there is no physical damage and you're still facing the issue, then our last step is to reset all settings on iPhone. This will reset all settings on your iPhone, but it won't delete your data. After the reset, configure your settings again and check the camera issue persists. To do this, you have to simply open the settings, tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix iPhone 15 camera blinking issue. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.